Hello all, myself Shruti. Today I am here with a useful information and also giving demonstration about how it can be prepared at home. So I am showing how to prepare a face pack at home with the commonly present ingredients at home. So maintaining skin texture is very important and everybody likes to maintain it. So bringing the face pack which is available at market is bit difficult as it contains harmful chemicals. So to avoid all those, we can prepare it at home and we can apply it daily to increase our skin texture and glowness. And these are all very simple and easily available ingredients at home. So I'll be showing each and every ingredient, how to use it and how it helps in maintaining the glow or texture of the skin. So one is banana. So banana contains so many vitamins and minerals like E, B1, B2, C, carotene. So it helps in maintaining the healthy skin, increases the radiance, and also it improves the youthness of the skin. So using banana is very helpful in maintaining skin texture. And next is honey. Honey helps in moisturizing the skin and it makes the skin soft and supple. And also I am using a small potato. Peel the skin of the potato and I have cut into small pieces and kept. So this helps in removing the pigmentation of the skin. So it removes the darkness, dark circles, scar, and even the tan also. All dark spots can be removed and make the skin fair. It contains vitamin C, B, B3, B6, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and the juice of potato is bit acidic in nature, so it helps in brightening the skin. And the next ingredient what I am using is aloe vera. Aloe vera acts as a cleanser, so it removes dirt and hydrates the skin, so make the skin glowing. The vitamins which are and minerals which are present in aloe vera are very useful for the texture of the skin. So next what I am using is tomato. We all know that using tomato on skin is very helpful in avoiding pimples and acne because it is a good antioxidant which fights against the germs and bacteria which infects or which forms pimple. So applying tomato daily to skin is helpful, but applying as such will be difficult, so it is better to prepare as a paste along with the other things, and then you can apply daily. So next ingredient is milk cream, also called as malai. So this is while boiling the milk continuously, you will get a creamy layer. So it helps in maintaining the complexion of the skin, makes the skin smooth. Malai is nothing but it contains fat, saturated fats and coagulated proteins. So it removes the dullness of the skin and gives glow by maintaining or balancing the oil in the skin. If your skin is very oily, you can avoid milk cream and you can add milk. You decide based on your skin texture, but adding milk cream is very helpful in maintaining or it gives glow. So I am using lemon. Lemon acts as an astringent, that means it removes the oil and also helps in opening the pores which are clogged. So once you apply this acidic lemon, it opens the pores and removes the dirt which is present inside the pore. Next, and this is bit acidic in nature, so that is why I am using it in combination so that it balances the oiliness of the skin. Otherwise the skin becomes very dry, as tomato juice, lemon and potato are acidic in nature. And at last I am using rice powder which acts as a scrub. So if we add rice powder and little bit apply in a circular motion, it removes all the dead skins and blackheads and whiteheads will be removed with the help of rice powder. It acts as a natural scrub. So all these ingredients I am taking in a mixer jar and making it a thin paste so that it will be easy to apply on skin. First add potatoes, Then I'll be adding aloe vera. See, aloe vera I have peeled the skin and only the fleshy part I have taken. Otherwise, it creates some irritation or itching. It acts as a very good hydrating agent and also cleanses the dirt which is present on the skin. Adding tomato. Tomato is a very good antioxidant. And then you have to mash ripened banana very nicely. Ripened banana will be very good and it gives good glow to the skin. Then I am adding lemon. See, lemon is a bit acidic, so those who are allergic to lemon can avoid or add only 1 or 2 drops. But it is very good in removing the dirt by opening the pores. And then at last I am adding rice powder, which acts as a scrub and removes all the dead skin which make the skin rejuvenated. And now I am adding milk cream. You can add according to your skin. I am adding half a spoon of milk cream. Then honey keeps the skin soft and smooth. So adding honey is very important for preparing any face mask. It balances other ingredients which makes the skin dry. And also honey keeps the skin hydrated or moisturize the skin. So I am adding all the ingredients and making it a paste using the mixer. So grind it nicely to make a thin paste. So you can see a very thin and fine paste containing all ingredients. Though we know that all ingredients as such are beneficial, but it is difficult to apply each one at a time, or grinding one and using it is also difficult. So overall it boosts the collagen production and hence it reduces the wrinkles and also it reduces the it prolongs the aging process and gives complexion and elasticity to the skin. The one who has acne and pimple problem also can use this, and when we go out, the skin will be there will be a dirt or dust which are formed on the skin, that also can be cleaned. So apply this, dry it for 10 minutes and then you can wash it with lukewarm water. You can apply it daily or twice or thrice in a week. See, this much paste if you prepare using these proportions, you can store it in the fridge and you can continuously or daily use this. Just apply it in circular motion and allow it to dry for 10 to 20 minutes and then wash it slowly with water, with lukewarm water. All of you use this. It is very much beneficial. You can see the effects in up to 1 week. So all of you do it yourself and let me know your opinion. I have used it personally. You also please use it. Then all of you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Don't forget to press bell icon so that you will be notified with all my further videos and it will be easy for you to follow my videos. Thank you.